Yeah, come out. Woo! Good shot.
That was point blank.
I walked right into that tree.
Can you tell I'm an ex-smoker? They got me right here.
Oh, well, you hit me right in the cushion right there. And I was like, oh, thank God. Just put the flesh wound. Are you ready?
I'm going that way.
Well, let's see how ready you are. That's good stuff, buddy. That's some training right there.
3, 2, 1, again.
I'm fogged up like.
I'm going to this bush. Watch that front door. You ready?
Go. I'm trying to watch and see if they cross the front door.
Go in the back door if you want to try to breach.
He's down there watching me. They're covered up on the back door. I know Andrew's inside the back door and to the right if you're breaching back door. I don't know where Tad is. I'm peeking on the windows at the kitchen and don't see him.
Gotta be in back room.
Tad's right there at the door to your right.
They're both in back room if you want to go in the front.
10-4 already gonna engage. I've got eyes on the package. Tad's outside, coming for you. Andrew's right there. The briefcase right over your head. Watch your head's gonna flank around. I saw him go out. Get right there.
Yeah.
Two. 4, 5. What do you see? Is that Tad? That's Tad.
You went out?
I do, but they're gonna be out there. Here he comes. I don't think he saw me.
There he is, window. Is he pushing the door?
Yeah, he's coming. He's getting ready to open this door right on me. Ow! I'm hit. Give me, quick.
Had to put it back.
What do you see?
That's it, hit. You say hit?
Go.
Cat's down.
Andrew, got that way. Heads up. He's in front of
You want? How you want to do this?
I think crossways is our best bet.
Okay, watch her.
In the back of the trailer.
10-4, I can see through both windows at the front. Better. Tad's coming back door.
Front door, continue to the corner.
They're both on backside. Tad's watching the back stairs.
Up in front.
They're upstairs. Upstairs. Bang, 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 you're both out. I called it first.
That's inside out.
What?
He's right here.
Yeah. If you rush him from behind, go out the house and come behind. Out the house. Woo! Good shot. That's all I had was your arm. Are you all right?
That was point blank.
3, 2, 1. Briars. More briars. Oh! I'm hit. Oh, you hit? Perched up outside.
Can you lay down, partner?
Yeah. Alright. Like that. Get the f out of the way. I'm just here. You're hit.
And I'm out of the ammo.
Oh, I'm a new one.
Let me know when you're ready.
You ready? You guys ready? 3, 2, 1, begin. Hit. Game! 3, 2, 1, begin! Game! Begin!
Corner of the house.
Woo! Hit! Oh no, Bob! I ran out of gas.
Drop mag.
Switch.
Drop mags. Here, if you need mine.
I'm good. I got mine. Good. Hit. I'm hit. Parker is hit. Here's the pad. Run it. I'm hit. Goes in. Push. Run. Game. Again. Andrew behind the tree.
I see him. Pretty sure I hit him.
Watch the bushes.
Yeah, I'm on him. I got nothing on bushes.
Head. Got me stressed.
Tree. Don't. Go. You're done. You're good.
Again.
Malfunction. I'm good though. Andrew's at trailer. Flank it. Where you at, Noah? You're at the corner of the trailer? Gotcha. Andrew's getting ready to run out of bullet. Save your ammo, Noah. If you need a gun, I'll throw you mine.
Hit.
Hit!
That's good. You want me to do a countdown?
Sure.
3, 2, 1, begin.
Hit!
3, 2, 1, begin.
Switch sides. Hit! Did I get you? Yeah. Switch sides. Oh, get...
3, 2, 1, begin.
Hit! I said hit. What are you doing? I said hit. Like 30 minutes ago.
1, begin.
Are you kidding me?
Hit.
Woo, that was close.
You guys are trading bullies.
That's good stuff, buddy. That's some training right there. Oh, that's enough. I think I've had enough.